Underpinning every good logo is a good idea. Here are 3 methods for generating ideas. Mind maps help you consider different design directions. A mind map is nothing more than a straightforward process of word association. You write a word that's central to the design brief, and then branch out from it, writing other words that spring to mind. You end up with a thought cloud that you can refer to when sketching. Mood boards are a handy shorthand for establishing the tone and style of a project. A mood board is made up of found content that you feel reflects the client's aesthetic. Having a mood board around while you're designing helps keep you focused on that aesthetic. Spend some time sketching your ideas. And don't worry about how they look, it's just about ideas. Keep an open mind and don't limit yourself during the sketching process. The physical process of sketching is valuable for stimulating ideas. It's quicker to sketch with pencil and paper than it is to execute an idea on the computer. And this means you can quickly sort the ideas that might work from those that clearly won't. Bypassing this step and going straight to the computer to start designing may be hard to resist. But if you do, you'll likely end up tinkering with designs that are inherently unworkable. Our computers and software quickly give us results that look polished. So polished, in fact, that they make it easy for us to overlook the essential ingredient, a strong concept.